I came up with this project because since I was in Mexico, my mom in the garden has different types of aromatic herbs, fruits and vegetables. For example, mint, peppermint, basil, coriander, parsley, celery, fennel, gypsy, cherry, peach, pomegranate, figs, avocado, and the two types of strawberries that I'm going to introduce you in this project. What is a mock strawberry? Known commonly by the names mock strawberry, Indian strawberry, or false strawberry, it has yellow flowers, unlike the white or slightly pink flowers of true strawberries. It is native to Eastern and Southern Asia, but has been introduced to many other areas as a medicinal and ornamental plant.
The growing process. The growing process is that you have to be careful when you're removing ripe berries. Wait until their juicy red appears loaded, bending back the base of the leaves around them, the calyx. When mature, their seeds are spread out. How they reproduce? Well, the mock strawberry it can reproduce like a normal berry because they are cultivated on the soil and they grow little bushes and they start to grow many little berries and many times they can reproduce because of the air that is blowing. It makes the berries fall down on the soil and the seeds starts to come up and it starts to create a little bush and it starts the cycle again. Or also it can be because of the bees when they are collecting nectar or when an animal is eating the berry, the seeds sometimes fall down and they start to grow again. A wild strawberry. Fragaria vesca, commonly called wild strawberry, woodland strawberry, alpine strawberry, Carpathian strawberry, European strawberry. The typical habitat is along trails and roadsides, hillsides, stone and paths, and roads, meadows, young woodlands, sparse forests, woodland edges, and clearings. Their leaves, they are very significant food source for a variety of ungulates, such as mule deer and elk, and the fruit are eaten by a variety of mammals and birds that also help to distribute the seeds in their droppings. Growing process is that you have to start new wild strawberry plants in late spring or early summer, the stem connecting the wild strawberry. Try the roots planted from the soil, grow the wild strawberry in a lightly shaded area for 3 to 4 weeks to allow it time to establish a larger. Water each wild strawberry to a 4-inch after planting. Provide 1 inch of water each week throughout the growing season. How they reproduce. They use asexual propagation, that is when involves taking a part of the parent plant and causing it to produce a clone of itself. There are two ways to propagate. The plants can be divided and transplanted once multiple crowns have been grown and runners that strawberry plants fruit can be controlled and guided that they produce new clone plants. Choose this project because in my house's garden I found 6 months ago that in the soil it starts to grow a little strawberries very strangely because nobody had planted them and my mom always cut the mock strawberry and trash it to the garbage because she thought that they were poisonous, but the gardener said that it was a type of a weird strawberry. After I come back to Mexico, I started to realize that the mock strawberry it starts to grow again Then, for my biology project, I started to investigate about the mug strawberry and I cultivated it, and after 1 month the results began to be seen, and I have concluded that the mug strawberry, his cultivation is not so fast, but they grow like 3 mug strawberries per month. But the most interesting is that the first time the mug strawberry came out, we have never cultivated, and it is a not common plant in the region, and that's why I chose it for my project, and also to know how the plant life cycle works.
I choose also this project because my sister's boyfriend, his aunt, she's an expert in cultivation. She also has an orchard where she cultivates a lot of plants, but she gave to my sister a flower pot with some wild strawberries, and she told my sister that they were born every week, the wild strawberries. That was 6 months. When I came back to Mexico, I was thinking what biology project could I do, and in the end I decided to do 2 investigations for my biology project. And so I could compare these different types of berries of you are very similar, but when you study it further, you see that they are so different each one. My investigation in that project was about if it is true that the wild strawberry can grow again after 1 week. The first thing that I did was to take out a seed of a mature wild strawberry. Then I put it on a flower pot, and during 1 week I watered it, and I proved that it's true that they grow once a week. And that's why I like my investigation, because it was funny to compare 2 different types of berries, as they were so similar but they are completely